Good morning. We're here at 1002 East 4th Avenue in Denver, Colorado. Today's date is February 3rd, 2026 at approximately 11:52 a.m. Today we are performing a sewer scope. The reason for the scope is because there was a spot repair done on the tap. There was a tap repair done, and we are taking a look at that. The tap is about 99 feet from these cleanouts in the backyard of these duplexes. Let's get started. As you can see, there's your main city tap connection. You have a good transition there. As you can see, there's your transition from the tap from SDR plastic into looks like Schedule 40 plastic. Good transition. I would recommend a cleaning of this line. Alrighty, now let's go check back towards inside the house. As you can see, it's all PVC plastic in here, which is in good working condition. That concludes your scope.